ocean. But I just put some shrimp on the line, and I got it right, and I reeled it in, and this is what it was. Here, I'm gonna put the headset on and give you guys a closer look. So I did get the headset on. Here he is. This is a hard catfish. It's from the ocean. They're saltwater fish. Yeah, so it's kind of cool. And they have venomous spines right here that are venomous. So I'm gonna try and unhook him if I can see where he's hooked. And it's not that deep in there, so I'll get it out.